Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a news item today in our tech news, daily tech news items that we throw in here and there that I find interesting. Hopefully you do find them interesting too. Is Microsoft partnering with a company to look into creating nuclear energy in the future. And you might wonder why. Well, it's because of things like this. All the AI that they want to do, all the use of artificial intelligence drives immense data centers that are consuming an amazing amount of energy. Some estimates say that, for example, for each thing that you will ask here on Copilot that uses ChatGPT, for each request here, it actually takes from 3 to 5 times more energy than a simple Google search. So it gives you an idea. So, of course, they need a lot of energy to run this. So they're looking into nuclear energy. But they're looking at it in a different aspect, not creating and building standard nuclear plants like today, but rather investing in new technologies of nuclear energy, including nuclear fusion, which would be a game changer because nuclear fusion would technically not create any, byproducts that's radioactive that you don't know what to do with compared to nuclear fission that we have right now. So this is going to be interesting to see, but shows you that there's a need for a lot of energy with an AI future. And could this mean that there will be a drive towards nuclear energy to drive AI? That is interesting, and I'm not sure that most people are much in agreement with, these ideas of, hey, let's have more nuclear plants because we need to power AI. Not sure this is going to be a good idea, unless that money and that partnership actually gives us really, really cleaner and safer nuclear energy in some way. So that just tells you. They were saying in the news item that basically from now till 2027, the ChatGPT requests that will happen and inquiries will use in that time frame as much energy as a small city for a full year. So this tells you that this consumes an enormous amount of energy. And even though one of the advancements will be, of course, technologies that consume less energy for the power that we have, and we're already there. I mean, today's computers, for the power we get out of them, do consume less energy than older computers, but still, they consume a lot of power. So this is going to be interesting to see anyways what happens with that in the near future. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.